This is the XD design Bobby Soft anti-theft backpack. It shows that how it looks like from the front, side, and behind. It got this lockable zipper, laptop compartment, expandable capacity, key leash, multiple colors, water repellent, USB charging port, made with recycled materials and with RFID protected, and YKK zipper. And it's empty inside. It can take up to a maximum laptop size of 15.6 inch and made of water repellent material. And you can scan this to learn more about this bag here. This shows you how to use this lockable zipper. So this is how it looks like from the front. At the back, XD design logo in front. It comes with this for you to put on the luggage when it's easier for you to travel around. And there's a zip here. Yep, that you can put something such as passport, your handphone, or whatever which is important. Yeah, this area is quite plush. Yeah, pretty thick cushion. And over here there's a battery logo here, a battery sign here. So when you push it out, take it out, there is a USB extension. I think for you to connect to your cable, yeah, whatever cable, USB cable, so that you can charge your phone. So I'm going to demonstrate that later. There are no pockets at all. Yeah, so it's like impossible to steal anything. Okay, twist it, push it up, then you can open it. Right, and let's open the back. Okay, so inside you can see there's only one big compartment here. Yep, this big compartment here, you can put your clothes or your shoe or whatever it is. Yeah, quite a big place. I think it's about 16 liters. So over here there's another compartment. Oh, sorry, before that, there's also another place for you to put your keys, yeah, or anything that you can hang here. And you can also take it out, yep, this way, and put it back. And it's good to have this in a bright color so you can see it in a dark place. And inside, the interior is in this dark olive green, I think, and it's a shiny material. Okay, so let's open this. There's another pocket here in the front. Yep, where you can put your passport. Yeah, no problem putting a passport, and maybe your sunglass, yeah, or anything that you want to put inside the bag, but small items, and you don't want it to drop out. So over here, this is where you can put your power bank. Basically, this is to connect to your power bank. Yeah. So putting it here means that your power bank can put here. Let me just get another power bank to show you guys. I have a power bank here. You just need to connect the power bank with this cable, which is come together with the bag. Just put it here. Okay, and remember here, this part, this is where I can pull the cable out, okay, and connect it with my USB cable, right? And I can use my phone. I can charge my phone. Yep, let's try. Yep, it's charging. Yeah, it's charging. Let me try again. Put it out. There you go, it's charging. All right, so you should have a longer cable, yeah, then it will be easier to charge. Then when you don't use it, you can just take your cable out, you know, push this back in, and you can also put your cable inside here, right, and close it. Okay, so that's pretty nifty. And this can still be connected all the time. Just leave it inside this pocket. And in here is another pocket. I think it can fit another power bank if you want to, or any other things, yeah. So I'm just going to take this out. Okay. And let's see, this can fit a 15.6 inch laptop. Let me just try and find a 15-inch laptop and fit this in. So I have a 15-inch laptop here. Let's try it. It fits just nice. Yep. But there isn't any strap or Velcro to keep it safe, yeah. So it will be like wobbling a little bit. But anyway, if you have all the things full, then it will not wobble at all. There is two zip here. Okay, this zip here is to close it into a slim mode. Yeah, so you can see that it's actually pretty slim. Yeah, but if you were to extend it, you can use this instead. Yeah, so you can zip it from here instead. Okay, that's a zipper. Zip it from here. From the other side, then this is like the extendable to a bigger volume bag. Yeah, this is the maximum. Put it together, slide it down, and then it's closed. So this is the anti-theft zipper. Right, I've shown you that earlier. So basically, yeah, that's about it about this bag. Try to stuff some things inside to make it full. Let's try and put all the stuff in for, say, a 2 days 1 night trip. First of all, a laptop. Yep, just push this in. Yep. And after that, I can try putting a pair of shoes. This is an adult shoe. Yep. So I can just put it sideways. Oops. And this side as well. Of course, you guys, this is brand new. You can put a plastic, yeah. But I'm going to just show you here how can this fit in. And this is a small shoe. I'm not going to show this one. If you can fit the big one, then small is not a problem. And I do have 2 pants and 2 shirts as well. Alright. I think it's pretty much full enough. 500 ml bottle as well. Right on top here. Yep. So I can only zip it from one side, yeah, because this is extended. Yep, I can't zip it from here. I can zip it from here, then it will be the compact version. So there you go, guys. Of course, I haven't put in the cables and mouse and accessories, but those are small stuff. You can simply just chuck it in. So that's how it looks like when it's full. Yeah, for a 2 days 1 night trip, it's be just fine. Okay, and yeah, let's take this out. Just going to cut all this in. Right, cut this as well. So there you go, it's ready to go. And of course, if you are traveling, you want to put something in here. Say for example, your wallet or your phone. You can keep it safe behind here. Yep, you can just zip it, and yeah, ready to go. So I don't think there's any downside. Some might say why there isn't any pockets over here for easy accessibles. Then it's not anti-theft backpack anymore. Yeah, it's called an anti-theft backpack for a reason, so that when you are putting at your back, there's nothing that people can really steal here. And also, once this is also locked in place, it's impossible to just open it. Yeah, this is actually quite thick, nice and plush, and this also is pretty thick. I think it's about 1 cm, and there's a XD design logo here on the right, and of course this is extendable to make it longer, this as well. And over here there's no small pockets, but here there is a small pocket in this strap, so you can just take this out and put something small. Say you have a hair clip, yeah, you can just put it in, or you have an SD card or anything, keys for example, that you want to be, you put it here. You can also, actually quite a small area. This is the smallest pocket in this bag. Yeah, something that you want it to access to it quickly, yeah, without opening the bag, you can just put it here. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. I'm going to just open everything and take it out. And how fast can I open this? Pretty simple. Bottle, clothes for 2 days, shoe, as well as 15-inch laptop. So yep, everything's out. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks like when I carry it. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and hope this helps. Bye.